Hello, my name is Katie Cruz and I'm Chemistry 1406, and for today I'm gonna go over lab 6. It's called the determination of acetic acid concentration in vinegar using titration. So for the materials for this lab, I already did it, but I'm gonna just go over for the materials. We did a graduated cylinder, we needed a plastic cup, we needed a armature flask, we needed electronic valence, and then we needed the vinegar acetic acid solution. For the main ingredients for this pyramid, we used the phenolphthalein indicator solution and sodium hydro solution. Those were the main ones that we needed in order to proceed with this experiment. So the goal and purpose for this experiment is to create a delicate solution and to find the molarity to determine the average percent acetic in vinegar. So I'm gonna go over for the chart what I got. So we did 3. So for the data table 1, I ended up doing it for the titration of vinegar and sodium hydro. For the mass of vinegar, we did it 3 times, by the way, so I could see like a difference, or to see what happened, or even to see my calculations along with vinegar that I got from the kit. So for the mass of the vinegar for sample 1, I got 4.9 G. Vinegar sample 2, I got 5.06, and for sample 3, I got 5.01. The volume that I got for the vinegar density, I got 4.95. For the sample 2, I got 503. And then for the sample 3, I got 5.1. And then I got more numbers, but to add it up, the average calculated percent mass of the acetic acid in sample vinegar that I got in the kit, it was 0.437%. And yeah, and I'm gonna go over in another video for the data table 2, but I hope you guys liked it. Thank guys, we're back with this video, lab 6 experiment, determination of acetic acid and concentration of vinegar using titration. So for this one, I'm gonna go over for data table 2, the titration of second vinegar sample with sodium hydrogen. So for the mass for the vinegar, once again, we did 3 tries with 3 samples to test out the difference, or if it even matched out with my calculations. So for sample 1, I got 4.97%. For sample 2, I got 4.95, and sample 3, I got 4.98. The volume of vinegar density, by the way, I'm reading it from the chart, from the computer. I got 4.94 milliliters, 4.92 for sample 2, and for sample 3, I got 4.86. We also got the initial volume in the syringe. I got 10 milliliters for sample 2, 9.2, and 8.3 for sample 3. And then the volume 4.8, 2.8, and 3.6 for sample 3. And then if the average calculated percent mass of the acetic acid in sample vinegar, we ended up with 140%. And that was actually really like crazy because I didn't expect it to be that high. But it was actually a good experiment to test out and to see the kind of difference, colors, like once it turned like pink, hot pink, and then it kind of went back to like kind of like a rose gold and everything. But it was really cool experiments, and thank you.